Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gadis Genie, and in this session, I would like to tell you about what is waste management. But before that, let me tell you that I have watched 3 videos related to this topic to gain and to improve my understanding about waste management. But before we begin, I would like you to think about how much plastic waste we produce in one day and what happened with them after we throw it away. Most people throw away waste without thinking about what happens next with them. However, waste doesn't always simply disappear. Yeah, it may be simply disappear if it is organic waste, but what happened with plastic waste? It must be collected, transported, processed, recycled, or disposed properly. So this is why we have to learn about waste management. So, waste management refers to the collection, transportation, processing, recycling, and disposal of waste materials in ways that minimize environmental and health impact. So, our focus here is not in the waste itself, but in how we can treat the waste. Okay, so next is why is it matter? The first one is to protect human health and then reduces pollution and then conserve natural resources and supports environmental sustainability. Like we know that waste can affect the negative things such as pollution, air, yes, again, air pollution, soil pollution, and any other bad things. So we have to protect our life and also our environmental and also another living being like animals, plants, anything. And then the next, I will tell you about 3 concepts of waste management. The first one is about types of waste. These are the categories of food waste. The first one is organic waste, consists of biodegradable materials such as food scraps and leaves. And then the second one is recyclable waste, includes materials such as plastic, paper, glass, and metal that can be transformed into a new products like this. And then the last one is hazardous waste, contains of substances that may harm people or the environment, including batteries, chemical, and electronic waste. So, understanding these categories is important because each type of waste requires different treatment process. And then the second one is about environmental impacts. Improper waste management can cause serious environmental problems. Waste dumped into rivers and ocean contributes to water pollution and threaten aquatic life, which is living being inside the ocean. And toxic chemicals can seep into the soil, reducing soil quality and affecting plant growth. In addition, burning waste releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. Poor waste management can also increase health risks by attracting pests and spreading disease. And the last concept that I want to tell you is about 3R principles: reduce, reuse, and recycle. One of the most effective solutions to waste problems is the 3R principle. Reduce means minimizing waste generation by avoiding unnecessary consumption. The second one is reuse. Reuse means using products multiple times instead of discarding them immediately. And then the last one is recycle, involves processing used material into a new products. And together, these strategies help reduce environmental pollution and conserve natural resources. In conclusion, waste management is more than simply throwing trash away. It is a system that helps protect human health, reduce pollution, and also conserve natural resources and support environmental sustainability. The most important lesson is that waste itself is not always a problem. The real challenge is how we manage it. By making responsible choices such as reducing, reusing, and recycling, we can all contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future. So, these are the references or the media I use to learn to improve to gain my understanding about waste management. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching and hope it can improve your insight about environment, about waste, and yeah, goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.